Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with a mega look once more. I was really pleased with my last wig that I got from them so much, and I'm so happy to get into the wig that I got today. This is the packaging. Oh, they're so on theme. Yes, I live for the Merry Christmas or seasonal packaging, you know. So this is the bag that everything came in. Inside the box, it has all the barcodes that you can scan for the different social media platforms. And then we have this cute little Merry Christmas drawstring bag. Alright, so obviously I'm seeing the wig first, which we're gonna get into. And then there's a goodie bag on the inside. That's everything that came in the drawstring bag. So in the goodie bag, we have a pair of HD wig caps, edge brush and comb, a mega look elastic headband, a pair of lashes, and finally this cute little clip. So what we're working with here today is their loose deep wave 30 inches. You know, we're working with inches. Full on 13 by 4. It's a full 13 by 4, by the way. HD lace front wig with a 3D dome cap. All right, I need you guys to get into this construction. It is done so well. Listen, I can tell you for sure, over time Mega Look has definitely upped their quality, and I've been saying this ever since I tried their last wig. It was just so beautiful. Like, I love it. And it came with this extra elastic band, which is adjustable on the inside of the cap, you know, so you can adjust it to make it, you know, tighter or looser. It's very stretchable. It has a total of 2 combs, one in the back and one in the mid portion here where the dome cap is at the front. And then, as I said, lace is HD. We love a good HD lace, especially when we're working with inches. Makes everything look even more realistic. The hairline is pre-plucked. Okay, so I absolutely love that. And as I said, it's a loose deep wave texture. Look how gorgeous that is, and it's very nice and full to the tip. 30 inches when stretched. I mean, it's winter time. It's always nice to have some inches. It really just, you know, adds to the warmth and the look and the vibe of everything. It's a natural 1B color as well, so I love that. I'm going to put the specific density and all the specifications in my description box so you guys can check that out, as well as all the direct link where you can purchase this wig if you're interested. I feel like this is so, like, perfect for the holidays. It's a vibe. So yeah, that's how we're looking. Now that I got into that, let's go ahead and jump into this really nice installation. I cannot wait. Let's go. So once I slip it on, I just use a comb in the back to kind of secure the back down on my head, because I like to know that when I slip my wigs on that the back is secure as well. So I'm actually going to do a really nice glue install today with this gorgeous wig. Definitely I have to cut off the extra off the sides, so we're gonna work on doing that. But oh my gosh, this feels so soft, guys. Like, it's so soft. It is, like, I really would just want to rock these curls as is, like, just make the hair a little bigger. This is beautiful. I really don't want to do anything to these waves. They're gorgeous. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut away the excess and then we're gonna apply the glue. Just taking my time to, you know, press this down. It's looking so good, so good. Like, the lace is immaculate. Guys, this is how it's looking. Absolutely no swoops, no baby hairs. It is melted. Alright, all I'm gonna do are my sideburns, and I'm gonna just do it lightly. Like, you don't even have to if you don't want to. Like, anything you prefer. This is what I want to do, so let me be. Okay, alright, but today I'm gonna do full on pull back glue vibes. Oh gosh, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. It just is so laid, so laid. It's just amazing, man. Mega look. I'm gonna go out with myself. This is how we're looking. All right, what I'm gonna do is just a very light glam, something very natural, very light, and then I'll come back. Let's get into this. Let us get into this. You saw a very light beat, very light beat. Like, listen, let's just get into the hair right now. Right, this looks like this is perfection. I'm not gonna get this wet. I'm sorry, I'm not getting this wet. This is gorgeous. This is beautiful. I'm not getting this wet. Oh, this is beautiful. But also, look at this. Melted. It is melted. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. One thing about them, I know they have 100% authentic HD lace fronts. It's giving timeless. Definitely giving that occasion. You're getting married, it's a birthday, you're graduating, you want to take some bomb pics, and you don't want all the extra, you just want to look sleek and just flawless. Me, I tell you, say it's a 10 out of 10, right? That's what I'm telling you. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of fix, but before I even fix that, let me show you guys something. So this is a full-on 13x4, so you could go ahead and part it anywhere within that area. You see, you could get nice deep parts from this. Isn't that gorgeous? Like, they did their thing. Like, I love it, man. Absolutely love it. Like, what more could you ask for? Yeah, man. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna do a center part. I'm gonna keep it nice and sleek. I'm gonna keep it in the center. This is how we're looking. Oh my gosh, the movement, the bones, the hair is so full. Like, I'm just kind of playing with it, kind of running my finger because I want the volume, you know. This is so good. Yeah, man. And it's giving heavy vacation vibes. Like, one thing about me, you guys know I do prefer curly / wavy textures if I'm going on vacation. Not that I'm going on vacation nor anything. Perfection. That's a 30 inches when stretched. Like, mega look. You guys understand. Like, you get it. Like, you know what you're doing. I highly recommend this, and it just looks so good with like the very soft glam. It's the effortless vibes for me. Less can definitely be more at times, and this speaks volumes. Like this whole look, this whole vibe, like I should have been going out tonight, because what? If you're interested, the direct link to this wig will be in my description box, so feel free to go ahead, check it out. If you want to get this for yourself or as a gift for somebody else, go ahead, feel free. If I have any codes, like discount codes or deals, you know, going on or anything, it will be listed as well. This website is down below, all the specifications are down below. Just go ahead and check out the description box. But that's it for today's wig look, guys. I feel super happy. They did their thing and I'm very pleased. I'm beyond pleased right now. Love it, love it, love it. It's a 10, and it's so soft and silky as well. I cannot complain at all. So yeah, that's it for today though, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.